That's good to know, man. 6, 7.
What about this one, bro? I only have one left to solve.
Go ahead, Yan. Maybe I can help you with this one.
Wait, let me just share my screen. This.
Oh, that! I can help you with that.
It seems like Yan was having problems with this second equation. Let's help her. So the given equation, or expression rather, is the limit of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x plus 2 as x approaches negative 2. This seems pretty complex. So first, let us try using this direct substitution method. Let's substitute the value of our x, which is negative 2. So, all of our x's will be negative 2. So, it will be 2 times negative 2 cubed plus 5 times negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 minus 8 over negative 2 plus 2. Let's simplify. Our answer will be 0 over 0, which is undefined and is not the answer that we're looking for. 0 over 0 is an indeterminate form. To solve this, we must first simplify the expression so that we can find the limit of our expression. So, to do this, we must use the synthetic division method. We all know the synthetic division method during our junior high school days. So, if you've somehow forgotten it, might as well try and recall. But I will help you in recalling it anyway. First, let us define the parts of an equation in which the division is the method that we are using. So on this equation, our dividend is the numerator and the divisor is the denominator. Synthetic division is a fast shortcut method for dividing polynomials. It is especially useful when the divisor is a linear factor like x minus a constant. So here, our first step would be solving for the value of x. So to do that, we must take the divisor, x plus 2 equals 0. We will only have to transpose the value of our constant, which is positive 2. So in the rule of transposing polynomials, the sign should be the opposite. So x is equal to negative 2. Step number 2. We will take the coefficients of our dividend or our polynomial. 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 8. The coefficients are the constant or numbers found in an expression. For 2x cubed, we have 2. 5x squared, we have 5. Negative 2x, we have negative 2. And lastly, negative 8. These are the constants or coefficients of our polynomial. Step number 3. Multiply and add. In this step, first, we will bring down the first term. Bring down 2. And then 2 will be multiplied to the value of our x, which is negative 2. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And then add that to the next term. Negative 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. And then there's the cycle. We will be now multiplying the sum of 5 plus negative 4. So 1 times negative 2, we will have negative 2. And then add that product to the next term, which is negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 4. And then again, multiply negative 4 to negative 2. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. 8 plus negative 8 is equal to 0. Usually, the last term would be our remainder. For the next step, we will be using the divided terms in expressing the final answer. But to do this, the degree of the first polynomial, 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 8, would be decreased or lower. So 2 will be 2x squared since the first term in our first polynomial is 2x cubed. And then, since the next one is 1, and 5x squared, it will be x. And lastly, negative 4. So if you'll notice, we are not dividing or anything. We are just decreasing the degree of the first polynomial by 1. X cubed became x squared became x, and x became 0 or 1 or an invisible 1. So our final answer will be 2x squared plus x minus 4. 2x cubed plus x minus 4 is the final answer or the simplified expression of our expression or equation earlier. So to solve now, the expression is now the limit of 2x squared plus x minus 4 as x approaches negative 2. We will be now substituting the value of x, which is negative 2. So, this will be 2 times negative 2 squared plus negative 2 minus 4. Negative 2 squared is positive 4 and positive 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And this is the limit or the final answer. So, to conclude that, the limit of 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x plus 2 as x approaches negative 2 is 2.
And done. You copy?
Yeah, dude, thank you so much.